So hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use network dash function. So the first thing is what is network day function. So network day function the dax is used to calculate the number of working days between the two specific dates, excluding weekends and optionally excluding holidays. So the parameter of the network day function is I will show you in the Microsoft website. The first parameter is start date, end date, weekend, and holiday. Start date, nothing. The start date of the period you calculate the working days for. The end date of the period you want to calculate working days for, and weekend. So weekend is a some. Here is a some information. If you give a 1, so is a exclude the Saturday and Sunday. You give 2 is exclude the Sunday and Monday. 3, so here is the list. So the last parameter is a holidays. Holiday take a column table of one or more dates that are to be excluded from the working days. We will go to the Power BI desktop. I have already upload our holiday list. This is a holiday list. So wait a minute. Yes. So in this table visual, we have order ID, order date, ship date, holiday list, or number of working days. So for example, if you want to calculate the working days between the order date and ship date, so we have used network day. So in this measure, first is a variable. We have created a variable and store the order date, and the second one is a and date. We have stored a ship date and return the network def function. So the first parameter is a variable 1 and start date, and second parameter is a variable 2 end date, and here we have give 1. So 1 exclude the Saturday and Sunday, this one, and the last is a holiday list. So we have run this measure. So this would return the number of working days between the order date and ship date. So that's it. You have successfully used the network dax function in DAX to calculate the number of working days. Thank you.